Hi, my name is Kennedy Rosado, and I'm going to show you how to erupt a volcano. You will need a little eruption powder cup, a cup of warm water, a kind of powder A and powder B, lava color, and this little spoon. First, with your eruption cup, you're going to have to open it and grab powder A. You need to grab your little spoon and grab only 1 spoon of this and put it in the cup. Next, you'll need powder B. You would need 2 spoons of powder B. After you have 2 spoons of powder B and 1 spoon of powder A, you are ready to put your first. After you do that, you need to put the cap on your cup and start shaking it. You have to shake it good or else the eruption powder will not work. So after you have the powder mix ready, you have to put it into your volcano. It's okay if the powder gets out of your volcano. It actually does not matter because when the eruption powder comes out, it will just clean all that up. Then you need to put your powder to the side and your cup. And you'll have to get your lava coloring. You will need to put 1 to 5 or 4 drops of your coloring. It will start erupting a little bit because this is baking soda. Then, with your warm water, you have to pour it kind of fast. So then it could erupt faster. Okay? You see? Try not to put your finger in there because with the baking soda, it'll make it hot. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.